Dear friends, welcome to all. Sargam Academyയുടെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Now, code another color. Context 2. Another color, of course. To make a humble, very humble request. To make a very humble request. Examples: can I, right? Read this report? Can I read this report? Can I talk to Mary? You dial a number and ask, can I talk to Mary? Can I read this report? Can I go through this file? There, if you put could I read this report? So the request, your request becomes more humble or very humble. So there, can I read this report? Then you can make it humbler by using may. May I read this report? So it counts in between can and could. May I read this report? Then we have studied that. Shall I read this report? See? Shall I read this report? You ask permission to someone. We have studied that. When we studied tool number 9, we have gone through this. Shall I read this report? You ask permission to someone to do something. Answer, yes, you can. Yes, you may. Then, can I read this report? Again, asking permission. You ask permission to somebody to do something. Can I read this report? There, if you put may I read this report? It's a humble request. Humbler than can and shall. And if you use could there, it's a very humble request. See, could I read this report? Normally, there could I is followed by please. Could I please read this report? Now, see, shall I talk to the GM? Shall I talk to Jim? You dial a number and you call to an office. The receptionist attends the phone and then you put a request. Shall I talk to the gym, please? Then again, can I talk to the gym? Asking permission. There, if you put may, humbler, may I talk to the gym? Then you can put, may I talk to the gym, please? Humble request. To make humbler, very humble, you can use could. Could I please talk to Jim? Very humble request. Another examples. Shall I use your phone? I have to make an urgent call. Shall I use your phone? asking permission to do something to someone. Can I use your phone? Either there you can add please. Can I use your phone, please? May I use your phone? May I use your phone, please? Still humbler request, humbler. To make it the humblest, right? You can use, could I please use your phone? Another example. Shall I refer to this file? Shall I refer this file? Shall I refer this file? Can I refer this file? Asking permission. May I refer this file? Humble request. And could I please refer this file? The humblest request. Very humble. So this is the second context, second color of could. To make a very humble request, we use could. Now we will learn need. Need the color necessity. So here, let's compare want and need. I want a tab, just want tab, pravasham. When this person says, I need a tab, so it is necessary, atyavashyam. Okay? And we want a good court to play tennis or shuttle. We want a good court. Some children say. And we need a good court means it is necessary. Want verb necessary. Actually, these are sentences in tool number 1. It is satyam parayana. They need a good library. They need a good school. They need a good college here in this village. They need a good library. They need, don't want to, need. And he needs, he needs a bike. We need a good cook. They need a good library. He needs a bike. We want a good cook. They want a good library. He wants a bike. And she needs a science teacher. She needs a good teacher. She needs a science teacher. Right? So the want, need. I want to buy. I need a buy. We want a good coat. We need a good coat. They want a good library. It's not that necessary. They want. They need a good library. It shows necessity. He wants a bike. Not that necessary. He needs a bike. It shows necessity. And she wants a science teacher. Wants Ramsha. She needs a science teacher. It is necessary. Right? Want, avisham, need, atyavasham. Now we will do level 2 exercise here. Need. I need A bike. I need a scooty. I need a bike. I need a tab. I need a new computer. I need a bike. I don't need a bike. See, same tool number 1. I don't need a bike. Do you need a bike? Do you need a bike? Do you? Do you need a dictionary? Do you need a spacious house? Do you need a car? Do you need a good trainer? Do you? Don't you need a bike? Don't you need a good school? Don't you need a good library? Don't you need a car? See, don't you? Isn't it necessary? Isn't it necessary for you? Don't you? Now who needs, right, a bike? Him. Who needs a bike in this class? Who needs a bike in this group? Same level 1 exercise. Tool number 1, level 2 exercise. Who needs? Now, what do you need? What's your need? What is your necessity? What's your need? I need a library. I need a good playground. I need a good trainer. I need a good coach. Right? ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അനായാസം സംസാരിക്കാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്ന ഈ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതിയുടെ കഴിഞ്ഞ സെഗ്മെൻറ്റ്സ് കാണുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി സർഗം അക്കാഡമിയുടെ യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സന്ദർശിക്കുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടുവെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്.